Oh, I did not see you there waiting for me, and I just burped. Do you know why we fart and burp? Cause you drink soda, you burp a lot, right? Because there's some air pumping up your body. So one side goes up and one side goes down. The upper one burps. And the down part especially farts. So the main question is, why do we do that? So this is how we fart and burp. So you drink a lot of soda, that makes you burp or fart. Because I burp a lot when I drank soda once. So did you know that soda can make you burp a lot? Because soda, you sometimes see some balls in the soda, right? You know what those are? Those are the balls that make you drink it, and then the body takes the balls and then put it in his pumper and pump. One goes down, one's go up. Yeah. You see? Or you could breathe air, but breathing air is hard to make farts or burps. But sometimes you just want to pretend to be silly. Like, some people do that to make fart sounds, or they do chicken wings like that to make farts. Well, how do they make it? Only fat people can do that. Did you know? Because fat people can. So I'm not fat. So, but everybody can do this fart. Okay, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Give us the bell button, and we'll see you later. And we'll see you later. Bye. I want to thank the countless healthcare professionals and